Do you remember Joydeep Karmakar? Yes, the very same rifle shooter who made India proud by reaching the finals of 50-meter rifle-prone shooting at the 2012 London Olympics and unfortunately came in at the 4th position, just missing the bronze medal by 2 points. He missed the medal then as a player, but his rifle has now won a medal in 2025 when he is the Chief National Rifle Shooting Coach of India. Confused? Don't be. We are talking about Joydeep's son Adrian Karmakar. From the sweltering 40-degree heat of Delhi training grounds to the freezing 2-degree Suhal in Germany, 20-year-old Adrian led the charge of Indian shooters at ISSF Junior World Cup. This year he not only made his debut, but also ended up winning a silver and a bronze medal in rifle shooting. Adrian's first medal came in the men's 50-meter rifle-prone event, where he won a silver. This achievement carried special significance as it was the exact same event where his father had won a medal at the 2010 ISSF Shooting World Cup in Sydney 15 years back. Remarkably, Adrian was unaware of this connection initially. He knew his father had competed in the same event but didn't realize his father had won a World Cup medal in it. Adrian admitted that with his father's extensive international medal collection, he couldn't remember every achievement. The connection was only revealed when Joydeep called him after the match to share this piece of family shooting history. Adding another layer to this father-son legacy, Adrian competed using the same rifle that Joydeep had used during his heartbreaking 4th place finish at the 2012 London Olympics. Now, although Adrian has won his first medal at 20, shooting has been in his blood since he was born. He acknowledges that his path to shooting might have been different had he been born into any other family. Growing up surrounded by shooters and frequently accompanying his father to Indian shooting camps, he was naturally drawn to the sport. His formal shooting journey began at age 7 under his father's guidance, though his exposure started much earlier. He describes how shooting had been his constant companion since birth, making it like a second language to him. He was already familiar with shooting terminology and could communicate effectively with his father about the sport before he even started competing. Adrian's first competition was the West Bengal State Sub-Youth Championship in 2012 when he was just 7 years old. For this event, Joydeep had brought him a special open-sight rifle from the United States, which was different from the typical break-barrel rifles commonly found in India. The open-sight rifle required loading like a standard rifle with a chamber and needed to be pumped 6 to 7 times before shooting. While the first 4 pumps were manageable, the final 3 or 4 became extremely difficult due to the increased pressure and tight mechanism. The challenge was so significant that he received special permission from the organizers, allowing his father to pump the rifle after every shot. Joydeep gladly assisted throughout the entire 40-shot final, and Adrian won gold in his very first competition. Following this successful debut, he upgraded to the Olympic standard AR-20 Hameli, his first peep sight rifle. He initially started with the 10-meter air rifle event but eventually found his calling in the 50-meter events. While he initially enjoyed the 10-meter event, he grew bored with its repetitive nature, especially after experiencing the 50-meter format. The turning point in Adrian's career came when he won gold at the Khelo India Youth Games in 2022. This victory earned him a coveted spot at the Sports Authority of India's National Centre of Excellence in Delhi. Given the lack of 50-meter shooting ranges in his hometown of Kolkata, he eagerly seized this opportunity. He has spent the past 3 years training at the Dr. Karni Singh shooting range in Delhi, living in a hostel away from his family. To cope with being away from family, Adrian has found comfort in music. He describes music as his safe space and enjoys listening to rock and R&B, often gravitating toward less mainstream artists. But what about his future now? With 2 medals from his ISSF Junior World Cup debut, Adrian has set his sights on upcoming challenges. His immediate focus is the Asian Championships in Kazakhstan, while the 2028 Los Angeles Olympics remains his major long-term objective. Adrian Karmakar's story represents the continuation of a shooting legacy, where talent, dedication, and family heritage converge. From his early days learning shooting terminology as a second language to winning medals on the international stage with his father's Olympic rifle, Adrian embodies the phrase, like father, like son, while carving his own path in Indian shooting sports.